Welcome to M Knitwear, one of India's leading fully vertical garment manufacturers. With a strong fiber-to-fabric manufacturing capability, we are a textile powerhouse with state-of-the-art modern and innovative infrastructure, offering end-to-end solutions. Our spinning division is an example of innovative infrastructure and the seamless production process. Giving the best cotton mixes possible, the cotton is processed using the industry's most advanced machinery that uses bare minimum manual intervention. The yarn is then transformed to fabric in our knitting division that personifies technological advancement and boasts of a manufacturing capacity of over 12 tons a day. Our dyeing plant, Jai Vishnu Clothing Private Limited, processes 50 tons of knitted fabrics per day using the world's best soft flow and airflow technology. Our modern computerized lab with data color matching is at par with top accredited labs across the globe, deploying a perfect and quality finish to the fabric. The compacting machine controls the fabric shrinkage, spirality and GSM. Acid wash, stone wash, bio wash, caustic wash, enzyme wash and silicone wash are some of the prime methods that we offer to ensure that our finished products meet our customer requirements. With the vertically integrated production process, we at M Knitwear manufacture export a vast range of garments that earn us customer loyalty and satisfaction. Our cutting-edge auto cutters and other equipment enables a production capacity of over 4 million units for both inner and outwear garments per month. Our printing machines range from automated MHN placement printing and oval printing machines which can deliver 20,000 pieces per day. We also house two Stormac all-over printing machines that has a capacity of 15 tons per day. Our embroidery unit is adept with the latest design automation that can add appealing visuals to the finished product, giving life to our imagination and wings to our aspirations. Our sewing facilities turn fabric into a multitude of garments. The final phase of the production process is of checking, ironing and packaging to ensure that every garment is in line with our customer's vision. An in-depth and in-house KM certified and guaranteed final product inspection is carried out by our experienced quality control teams. Adding on towards the welfare of our employees, we conduct physical fitness enhancement programs through meditation and regular yoga training sessions. We run on a substantial amount of renewable energy via windmill and solar power, with windmill energy levels of 13 megawatt and solar energy of 15 megawatt. We aim to be a carbon neutral company by 2027. With a vision that every garment is known by the branding, this is a product of M Knitwear. We are committed towards developing products that every customer is looking for. Manufacturing niche quality garments that not only meet but exceed global standards. Our vision is to manufacture apparels for every top clothing brand at a global scale. If a quality-conscious and a committed vendor partner is your benchmark, then look no further, because with the KM Group of companies, your search ends here.